After discovering this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. To start this tip, I am going to put coarse salt in a container until it is full. Tell me if you have any homemade tips that help you keep your house clean and scented. I would love to know. Now I am going to add 50 milliliters of fabric softener. You can use whatever type you prefer. I myself was surprised by this product the first time I used it. With the help of a spoon, we are going to mix all the ingredients very well. Even your family will ask you to teach them how to do something so incredible that they do it once it's done. Even I do it often at home. I never had to worry about bad odors in my house again after I learned this foolproof tip. The best of all is that it is very easy to do. It is perfect for spreading throughout your home, ensuring it is always scented. To give it a special touch, I will add some cloves. You can use any amount you prefer. I always use a lot as I love the light and natural smell. In addition to releasing a light and pleasant odor, cloves work as a natural repellent. Let's fill another container with salt. And before I forget, tell me which city you see us in so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Susan, from the United States. She's glad you're enjoying our advice. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of alcohol. In the same way as we did in the previous container, I am going to add 50 milliliters of fabric softener, but this time of a different type. You'll love that trick. With the help of a spoon, we are going to mix all the ingredients very well. Do it at home and then come back here to tell me what you found. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. After a friend taught me how to do this, I never spent money on expensive products on the market again. It's amazing that you can do this wonderful trick with just a few ingredients. Tell me if you are going to do it at home too. Again, we're going to add some cloves on top of everything. I am sure you will love this trick. And our track is ready. Look how easy it is. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you very much for watching this video up to here. See you in the next video. See you next time.